How to find your Etsy store URL. Hi everyone, in this video you would learn how you can find your Etsy store URL. So kindly sit through and watch to the end so that you not miss any important information. So the first step is to log in into your Etsy account. Once you're logged in, this is how the home page looks like, and I must inform you that your shop URL is the same thing as your shop's name. All right, and then how can you locate it? By moving to the top right side of the screen, where you can see options like favorite, update, shop manager. Shop manager is located in between update and your account. So once you see your shop manager, just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you're brought to the shop's interface. All right, and then once you're on the shop interface, the URL that you can see in the search box at the top part of the screen is your shop's URL. So you can just copy it like that, and then you can now go to your web browser and then type it out. Once you paste it, once you paste it in the web browser, you would be brought back to your shop automatically. That is the basic way of finding your shop's URLs. Just note that the name of the shop is the URL. So if you don't want to go through this process of having to come to your page to copy the link, you can just go to your web browser by opening a new tab here and then type out www dot the shop's name www.exit.com slash the shop's name slash shop, and then you'll be brought back to your shop. All right, this is that simple. But then if you want to link you also create a link to a shop section. The first step is to open your shop manager, and once you open your shop manager, you are brought to your shop's home page. Now this is not how your home page looks like. All right, for me, I have not completed my shop creation. That is why this is being displayed, and that is because I have been restricted. All right, but for you, you will see your shop home page. Once you've seen this, under the search items bar, you would have to um select the section you want to share from your list, and then copy the URL that appears in your browser search bar. The link will end with the section ID followed by that section's number, and then go to your web browser, paste that link, and you'll be directed back to that particular section. So this is how you can find your Esty store URL. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.